So today I have this Smokey halo eye. I haven't done a halo eye yet on my channel, so I've been wanting to do one for you guys. Be sure to follow me on all of my social media. I have Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. They are all linked down below in the description box, along with all the products that I use in all my videos. So go ahead and check all that out. But I think that's it, so let's just get right into it. So I'm gonna start off with my Tarte Shape Tape. I'm just blending this in with my finger. It doesn't have to be like super clean. It's gonna be a little messy. Then taking a big fluffy brush and a white shade. I'm gonna go in with Vintage right here. Then I'm gonna go in with Innocent right here. I don't think I mentioned, but this is the Tarteist Pro Amazonian Clay Palette. Going in with Innocent right here. Then I'm gonna go in with Whimsy right here and a smaller blending brush. Then with the same brush, I'm going in with Mod. Okay, there's not an orange in here that's like really giving me the payoff that I want, so I'm going into, this is my Morphe 35C palette. I think I've mentioned this before. They don't sell this palette anymore, but they have a couple on their website that have really good, like, a lot of colors like this. So I'm gonna go in with this brighter orange right here with a small fluffy brush. I'm just taking this on the very top. So then I'm gonna go into this Drama shade right here and really pack that on my outer corner. Going in with that other shade that I used to blend before, or the other brush that I used to blend before. I'm just running over this. This is one of those looks that's like, it's gonna look messy, it's gonna look crazy, but at the end it'll come together, trust me. So then I'm gonna go in with Punk, which is this black shade, with that little blending brush, and I'm taking this as far out as I possibly can. All right, and then with a flat brush, I'm dipping into my concealer and I'm going straight in the middle here. Then I'm going in with my Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette with this shade right here, Beam, and a very small little detail brush, and I'm going right in the middle. Then I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. This is Cranapple, and I'm taking this on the sides. So now I'm taking my NYX matte black liner. Okay, next I'm gonna go for my eyebrows. I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills brow definer. So going back in with that really small brush, I'm gonna dip this into concealer really quick and just clean up the bottom of my eyebrows because I got a little crazy. Line the top of my brows too. Some moisturizer. Been going in with my Revlon Coverstay Full Cover Foundation. The Tarte Shape Tape. Then I'm going to take the Airspun loose face powder with a tapered brush. And I'm going to go in with the shade Mod and run it under my lash line. Then I'm going in with a flat definer brush and this black shade Punk. So I'm going in with my Eylure Luxe Opulent lashes and the Covergirl Lash Blast mascara. Then going in with the BH Cosmetics contour and blush palette. I'm gonna be taking this orangey shade over here. Now I'm going in with the dark shade here, just deepening it up a little bit. Now I'm taking my Milani Baked Blush. Now going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlight. Then I'm gonna be going in with the NYX. This is their lip liner. This is in the shade Natural. Okay, so I kind of left it like the middle a little bit open, and I'm gonna be taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in Naked. That is the end of this look. I'm super proud of this one. It's like a smoky halo eye. I don't know what to call it, so you can see, I guess. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, share, all that fun stuff. I really appreciate it. But yeah, so we're all done here, so I will see you next time. Bye.